Hi everybody, this is Ian Lamont from In 30 Minutes Guides, including Excel Basics in 30 Minutes. Today I'm going to be talking about how to freeze the top row in Excel. If this video helps, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel or like the video and check out the links in the description, and let's go to Excel. This is the same whether you're using a Mac or a Windows. Excel 365, it will work the same way. Open up your Excel document and you can see the top row just kind of scrolls off the screen as I scroll down. Select the top row. Go to View, the View tab, and you'll see there should be an icon that says Freeze Top Row. Just click that, and then test it, and you can see that row is frozen, so you can scroll through the data if there's a lot of data and still see the column headers. For more information on how to get the most out of Excel, check out the book Excel Basics in 30 Minutes, available from in30minutes.com. There's also a link in the description. This video helped. Please take a moment to like it or subscribe on YouTube, and thank you so much for watching.